This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a floating button in WordPress. First, understand that a floating button remains visible as visitors scroll, offering constant access to a key action. This powerful tool can significantly improve user experience and guide your audience. We will focus on using a specialized plugin, which is by far the simplest and most reliable way to implement this feature on your site, ensuring broad compatibility. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Plugins section, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Floating Button to find suitable options. Look for a plugin with good reviews and active installations. Once you have chosen one, simply click Install Now, and after installation completes, click Activate to make it live on your site. This takes just 2 simple clicks. With your plugin active, you will find its settings, often under a new menu item in your dashboard. Here, you can begin customizing your floating button. You will set the button's text, like Contact Us or Shop Now, and specify the URL it links to. Additionally, select an icon that visually represents its purpose and choose its exact position on the screen, such as the bottom right corner. Finally, it is time to style your button to perfectly integrate with your website's design. Most plugins offer extensive options for changing colors, adjusting its size, and even adding engaging animations. Always preview your button on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks great and functions correctly everywhere. Once satisfied, save your changes, and your new, highly visible floating button will be live for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.